What's up, guys? So we got the Kawa Nike Kawa slides right here. They I guess they're retail for $30. I'll put right here how much I got them for online, and I'll leave the link in the description. But so one weird thing about these, I just got them out the box, and they got like this weird like, who knows what this is, but yeah, I don't really know. I think I might send them back to get a different pair, because I don't know what that is. It's like, it looks like glitter kinda, or like salt. But yeah, these are what the Nike Kawa slides are. I just wanted to give you guys an overview of what they look like. So this is exactly what you'll get if you buy these. Got like a Nike swoosh right in there. But these are pretty nice slides, as long as they send you a pair that doesn't have whatever that is all over it. It's kind of weird. Anyways, if you could do me a favor and thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers, so every subscriber counts. But yeah, I got a bunch of other videos on my channel checking out slides just like this video. So if you like this video, go check out my channel. Alright, peace. Also, head over to my channel if you like these slides. I just did a review on the New Balance 200 slides, so if you like these, definitely go check out the whole video on my channel.